So today is gonna be a bit of a different video. I have a bit of unboxing to do. I have my new computer from MSI from the Creator series with the monitor, and yeah, just the unboxing of that. But I also kind of need to clean my office space a bit. That looks a little bit messy, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get started with that first. Okay, so now everything is out of the box. And I just need to hook it all up and I will start it up. So it's been about a week since the computer arrived and still a bit of a mess here. I still have a few things probably coming. Probably will get a new desk and chair within the next few weeks. Then I'm gonna put some posters on the wall and yeah, a few other things. But yeah, computer's up and running smoothly and yeah, really happy with it.